important thing is round. Many times you do the rounding, right? So suppose you calculate the value of discount. This is a discount value comes like suppose discount comes as 5.4352. You don't give discount like this. The dollar and cents is up to 2 digits after decimal. So you really want to do is to 4.53, right? So round function, and there are a couple of other functions you can use to round it. So suppose I say discount D equal to 5.9, right? You want to round it to the nearest number, and you already know. So you say round and then say D. By doing this, it will say 6. 5.9 rounded to 6. And you have used it in function math too. You know how to round it. If I give it to 5.5, it will still round to 6, which is pretty standard. But if I go into 5.4, then it will round to 5. It will go 0.5 and above as you do it in math. It goes to the next number, or it comes to the bottom. This is how rounding works.